everybody. Guess what? Spring has sprung. The grass is green. It's getting there. It's time to get out your ENJO to clean. I came up with that all by myself. My name is Jenny Hall. I am your ENJOpreneur. I am really excited to show you the ENJO Window Combi today. It is an amazing tool for cleaning your windows, easy, fast, no chemicals, just water and an ENJO Window Combi. So I have actually wet my combi fiber under the tap just to get it good and wet, especially in the spring. You want lots of water for your windows. I also have my ENJO spray bottle here, and I'm just going to spray my window. It is just water in here. Okay, just water. I'm going to give my window a spray as well. And lickety split, your windows will be clean. Here we go. So I'm just taking the fiber, the blue living fiber, and I am cleaning the window. The fiber does the work of doing the cleaning for you. And then this amazing squeegee, it is so pliable and so soft, it is going to dry and squeege all of that excess water off the window. And then I can dry the blade with my living ENJO fill. Check it out. Wowza. That is it. That is all there is to window cleaning. Water, the ENJO Window Combi. Your windows will be amazingly clean. You can take the living ENJO fill, dries the little corner spots that the squeegee didn't catch. And that's it. So enjoy your spring cleaning, your spring window cleaning, everybody. The ENJO Window Combi, you gotta have it.